Yo, 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 yo. Today we're gonna be practicing the long vowel sounds. And all the practice materials, I put them all in the description, so you can just copy the link, paste it into your browser, and then it will redirect you to the exact document that I'm using. Follow along. So the first one is the letter A. A. Is this similar to the short vowel sound as a? Cake, cake, lame, lame, name, name, clay, 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 play, 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 day, way, say, may, pay, tray, stay, gray, gate, late, rate, fade, rate, rate, fade, gate, plate, state, stake, make, take, bake, lake. Now let's get to the E sound. These, tree. It's like E, it's like E. Tree, seed, seed, bee, free, three, three, agree, need, feed, seed, weed, feet, meat, sweet, street, green, seen, queen, sleep, keep, deep, weak, cheek, speak, teach, reach, beach, peach, each, leave, beef, 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 sheaf, peace, field, shield, eat, meat, seat, heat. Now let's get to the I sound. Like, ride, time, bike, hike, fine, line, mine, nine, pine, shine, wine, dive, five, drive, life, wife, knife, wide, side, tide, hide, ride, fire, higher, wire, tire, high, sky, fly, cry, try, dry, 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 dry. That's interesting. It's a bit tricky for me, and it's a little bit challenging for me to say it. Why, buy, tie, pie, lie, die, night, light, right, side, sight, fight, sign, kind, mine, fine, wine. Interesting. That is the I sound. Now let's get to the O sound. I mean, it's a little bit, it's just the same thing as the O sound, but it's stretched a little bit further. Go, home, note, snow, show, no, low, road, grow, slow, plow, see plow? Blow? let's find out how to pronounce this one. Pronunciation. Let's find out.
Low.
Low. Blow. Blow.
O.
Oh. Blow. 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 Back. Low. La.
L.
Blow. Below. 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 Okay, interesting. Alright, let's move on. Flow, 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 flow. Okay, follow. Which one is? The other one is follow, which I guess FOLLOW. But this one, which is FLOW, how do we say it? Flow.
Flow.
Flow. Flow. Okay. Flow. Alright. Then how do we say this one? Follow. Okay.
Follow.
Oh, follow. So we make follow and flow. Follow and flow. Interesting. Throw, glow, own, bone, cone, phone, stone, alone, zone, tone, rope, hope, slope, joke, smoke, broke, spoke, joke, coat, boat, goat, road, load, toad, soap, coach, roach, most, host, ghost, post, toast, roast, gold, cold, hold, fold, told, sold, pulled, open, over, only. Okay. Now let's get to the U sound. It's pronounced as a U, cute. Alhamdulillah. Cute, cute. Music, music. Few, new. Pure, cure. Mute, huge. Fuel, fume. Use, human, humor. Uniform, university. Unite, unicorn. Beauty, feud, few. Now, let's go to the sentence practice. Take the cake and place it on the plate. Take the cake and place it on the plate. We stayed late and played in the rain. We stayed late and played in the rain. She gave me a tape and a great new game. She gave me a tape and a great new game. The train made its way down the same lane. The train made its way down the same lane. Wait by the gate until the day breaks. Wait by the gate until the day breaks. Now let's get to the E sound. These green trees need water each week. These green trees need water each week. We meet at the beach to eat and sleep. We meet at the beach to eat and sleep. She teaches me to speak clearly and freely. She teaches me to speak clearly and freely. The team agreed to keep the hold clean. The team agreed to keep the field clean. Please feed the sheep before to leave. Please feed the sheep before we leave. Now let's get to the I sound. Ride the bike and find the right time. I like the light shining bright at night. She tried to drive the wind of the tide. My mind was wide awake by 5. The fire made the sky shine like a kite. Interesting. O sound. Go home and close the door slowly. Go home and close the door slowly. She told a joke and broke into smile. She told a joke and broke into smile. We drove down the road to the old coast. The snow will slow us down, so hold on. Show me the notes you wrote alone. The U sound. The cute music made everyone smile. She has a huge collection of unique views. Use the few tools we have to fix it. It's human nature to seek humor in hard times. The uniform was pure white and new.